Kapag ko na lang, no? Nakakaloka. So, itatry natin. Shout out dyan for watching, no? Hello po, everyone. Mabuhay po kayo. Ma'am, ang ganda mo, ma'am. Mahal kita. I love you, ma'am. Padalos-dalos ng sinabi. Nakakaloka ka. Nakakaloka ka, sir. Saman ang atong standard. Ay, ikaw talaga, Arjin. Binibiro mo pa ako, ha? Pero, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Everyone's, please subscribe my YouTube channel and notification bell. Link nyo na din para updated po kayo sa aking mga live, ano? Para suportahan naman ninyo ang aking maliit na subscriber kasi nasa 300 plus pa lang aking subscriber, ano? Hoping na umabot tayo ng 4,000 subscriber, no? Para ako'y tulungan po ninyo. Why you asking me if I like soda, no? Of course, so don't like soda. I love soda, but just sometimes, not every day. Ako, ano muna ako, no? Asikaso muna ako ng aking ilalagay. Ilalagay ng aking buhok. Para tayo ay makapag-umpisa. Thank you for saying I'm beautiful, no? I like soda too. Where are you from? God of Cheese. God of Cheese. Pulbaa, ha? So, ito muna. I-apply natin, ano? Tigas. Hirap. Hello for 6 viewers there, okay? You're from Texas, okay? Shout out from Texas, mabuhay from Philippines. What time in your country now, everyone's from Texas? What time? Wow, they make a soda in my area. That's why I like it so much. But carefully, soda is not good for body, okay? Because I work here in clinic of my partner, okay? For uric acid and cholesterol. That's why we make a body analysis for over uric acid. Okay, just careful to your body and health. Ay, gahi man. Okay, just slow drink soda because it's nice. It's water only. Soda is just sometimes, not every day. If you love yourself, so just drink water only. If you drink soda, just sometimes only, okay? If you have celebration, that's it, or sometimes only. Not every minutes you drink soda or many days if you drink lots, no, oh my God, it's so really not good for your good body. Ma'am, pagbalik mo,